Hello everyone, it's July 10th, 2019, second video in the mountains on my Goldstar 5,400 BTU window air conditioner, 10 EER, and it's an R22. It's installed upstairs, so with the 12,000 downstairs and the 5,000 up here, that's around 17,000 BTUs of cooling, which is not enough for this house, but it's plenty for up here since it only gets to around 85 sometimes. So I have the thermostat, like, hear that? Thermostat's permanently stuck on. Well, not permanently, but it's like 85 up here. It's so hot that the thermostat won't turn off. So it's been sitting for like a month over there where that blanket is. So we're going to see how it does. This is high cool. Yes, it's a little too wide for this window, but I'm getting it installed. Compressor doesn't sound too happy because this thing was abused hard. It's high, low. We can go outside, and I'll see you then. There's the LG, and funny enough, both air conditioners, that one's branded Hampton Bay, this one's branded Goldstar. They're both LG made. So I'm going to go back up on the hill to give you a better view. Yeah, we have a septic system here. There's the tank. And I'm climbing up the sand mound. Here are the bugs. So there's the unit. That just made it harder to see. But if you can see, I centered it up. And I used masking tape and packing tape to seal it since it's such a wide window. And then I'm going to put cardboard on the inside because it's upstairs and there's not a lot of trees blocking wind from it, and it gets windy as crap up here. Oh no, we get to get that fixed. But yeah, you can see the Goldstar. So, I gotta get that dent fixed. But I also have to put a stick in the drain, it helps it to drain. So, it's running. Pretty quiet, but I think it's plenty capable of cooling that upstairs. You can hear the other one's fan. It's dehumidifying really well. Still cooler. It's not ejecting much heat. Little Ford Focus wagon. It's cute. Still stuff set up from 4th of July.
Are you staying here while I get it?
Yep. It's hot and dark up here. See what this little thermometer says. Can't see crap, but it says 85. Okay, so here it is. See my masking tape, and I use really strong packing tape lining it, and then I have cardboard to use some more protection since we're really high up. See it out there. You also have to make sure to seal up here, which I'll use paper towels for. Now I'll use this as a water seal for the entire thing. And low, which we'll never use it on low. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you later.